Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best double camping chair with Canopy is probably one of the most versatile and convenient pieces of outdoor gear you can invest in, offering a comfortable and shaded spot for two people to relax anywhere from the backyard to the campsite, ensuring you can enjoy the great outdoors together without being exposed to the harsh sun or unexpected drizzles, making it an ideal companion for picnics, sporting events, beach trips, and any outdoor adventure where shared comfort and protection are paramount. Number 5. Portable Folding Double Camping Chair Loveseat. Experience ultimate comfort and portability with this chair. It's perfect for all your outdoor adventures, from camping to sporting events. This chair is designed for two, offering ample space and extra padding for maximum comfort. It's ideal for relaxing with a friend or even your furry companion. Enjoy your favorite beverages without worry. It features two built-in holders that securely clip your wine glasses, keeping them upright and accessible. Prefer something else? Two insulated cup holders keep your drinks perfectly chilled. They are designed to maintain your beverage's temperature, fitting even wider cups and cans. Keep your essentials close at hand with the convenient mesh storage compartments. They are perfect for storing sunglasses, snacks, or anything else you need within easy reach. What we like. Enjoy your favorite beverages in style with dedicated wine glass holders and insulated cup holders that keep drinks at the perfect temperature. If you appreciate the finer things and want to keep your drinks secure and cool, this is the perfect choice for your next outdoor gathering. What people say. The Canopy is adjustable and provides excellent sun protection. The chair is sturdy and comfortable, even for extended periods. It folds up easily and comes with a convenient carrying bag. Number 4. Oversized Double Camping Chair. Enjoy the outdoors together with our oversized camping chair. It's designed to comfortably seat two adults, offering plenty of room to relax. Crafted with a durable steel frame and thick padding, this chair provides exceptional support. Its robust construction ensures it can handle up to 650 pounds, making it perfect for couples. Stay refreshed with two large cup holders and two stem glass holders. Plus, the back pockets offer convenient storage for your essentials, while the wide armrests keep your hands free. Setting up and packing away is a breeze thanks to its all-in-one foldable design. It easily fits into the included carrying bag, making it simple to take on any adventure. With anti-slip foot pads, this versatile chair is suitable for various terrains. It's ideal for camping, beach trips, sporting events, backyard gatherings, and so much more. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort with its extra-wide and deeply padded design, built to support up to 650 pounds. If you're looking for a robust and spacious seating solution for two, especially for larger individuals or those who simply love extra room, this chair is an excellent option. What people say. The Canopy provides excellent sun protection, keeping you cool even on hot days. It's surprisingly sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight without wobbling. The cup holders are a convenient feature for keeping drinks within reach. Number 3. Padded Double Camping Chair with Canopy. Enjoy your outdoor adventures with our double camping chair. Its innovative canopy and adjustable side curtains provide full sunshade, blocking harsh rays from all angles for maximum comfort. Crafted with durable 600D Oxford fabric and a robust steel frame, this chair offers exceptional stability. Each seat supports up to 330 pounds, ensuring a safe and comfortable experience. Stay refreshed with the integrated cup holders and a spacious 9L cooler bag. Keep your drinks cool and essentials close at hand, making your outdoor excursions more enjoyable. This lightweight chair folds down easily into its included storage bag. Weighing only 18 pounds, it's perfect for taking anywhere your adventures lead. Whether you're camping, fishing, or relaxing at the beach, this versatile Loveseat provides a comfortable spot to unwind. It's easy to set up and store, offering convenience wherever you go. Designed for two, this chair offers ample space and comfort for you and a companion. Enjoy the outdoors together with this practical and stylish seating solution. What we like. Stay protected from the sun with a full canopy and adjustable side curtains, offering customizable shade and privacy. If you prioritize maximum sun protection and the convenience of a built-in cooler for keeping refreshments chilled, this chair is ideal for long days at the beach or park. What people say. The Canopy provides excellent sun protection, making it comfortable to sit outside even on hot days. It's surprisingly sturdy and well-built, holding up well to regular use. The chair folds up easily and comes with a carrying bag, which is convenient for transport and storage. Number 2. GoTEAM. Portable 2-seat folding camp chair. Introducing the ultimate outdoor seating solution. This set includes 2 comfortable chairs, a convenient built-in cooler, and a detachable umbrella for complete comfort. Never worry about warm drinks again. The insulated center cooler compartment is perfect for keeping your beverages cold all day long. Enjoy your outdoor activities without the harsh sun. The adjustable umbrella provides essential shade, making it ideal for any sunny day. Relax in comfort with built-in mesh cup holders and a shared center console offering extra storage. It's designed for your convenience wherever you go. Packing up is a breeze. It easily folds into a compact size and fits into the included carry bag, making transport and storage simple. What we like. This set offers unparalleled convenience with its integrated cooler, storage pockets, and a detachable umbrella for on-demand shade. If you're seeking a hassle-free, all-inclusive seating solution for picnics, tailgating, or beach trips where you want everything within reach, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The Canopy provides excellent sun protection, keeping you cool and shaded even on the hottest days. The chair is surprisingly sturdy and comfortable, with a good amount of space to relax. It folds up easily and comes with a convenient carrying bag, making it great for transport. Number 1. Folding double camping chair with umbrella. Enjoy your leisure time in any weather with this versatile outdoor chair. Its adjustable umbrella provides shade on sunny days and protection from light rain, ensuring comfort wherever you go. Crafted with a sturdy steel frame and high-quality 600D Oxford fabric, this chair is built to last. The double-layer fabric offers superior breathability and comfort, even on the hottest days. This spacious double seat is designed for your convenience. With features like adjustable armrests and integrated cup holders, it's perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Stay refreshed with the built-in insulated cooler bag, perfect for keeping drinks cold. Plus, the convenient side pocket keeps your essentials like phones and magazines within easy reach. Taking this chair anywhere is a breeze. It folds down easily for compact storage in your car, making it ideal for camping trips, picnics, and more. Share the comfort with this spacious Loveseat camping chair. It's designed to comfortably seat 2 people, making it perfect for couples or friends enjoying the outdoors together. What we like. Enjoy all-weather comfort with a movable umbrella and a central thermal insulation bag to keep your drinks perfectly chilled. If you're a fan of cold beverages during outdoor excursions and want reliable shade that can be adjusted to your liking, this chair is a fantastic choice for any leisure activity. What people say. The Canopy provides excellent sun protection, keeping me cool even on the hottest days. The chair is surprisingly sturdy and comfortable, even for longer periods of sitting. It folds up easily and comes with a convenient carrying bag, making it great for transport. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.